Hello everyone, it is Walt. Here we are with one of my famous walk and talks. Seems like spring's really coming around here. Even as quarantine persists, here we are out with the loud birds about, getting some green on the ground, and it's spring. And with it, I'm giving you guys a video on winning, the winning attitude kind of component. The fake it till you make it, key to winning kind of guide. Wanted to just kind of give you guys a short video on this, but it's not a bad idea for a book. I'll probably write a book on this one, maybe even today, just like another one of my short self-help books. Of course, check out my stuff on Amazon if you guys have not already. I've written quite a few books on these kind of self-help topics to help everybody live a better life. But yeah, so today as we're walking through this pretty amazingly starting to be green kind of area. I mean, know a decent amount of this is the invasive plant garlic mustard, which actually doesn't taste that bad. It's not that good, Then it's still kind of cool to see it out and nice and green and stuff. Yeah. Anywho, let's get down to it. So what is the art of winning? What am I talking about for this fake it till you make it kind of method of success there? And what I'm doing kind of to explain this one is that really a lot of things in life are about playing the part of who you want to be. So the reason I say this is because of the subconscious mind. So the subconscious mind wants to maintain who basically you see yourself as, okay? So if you rise to a new level of success, but you don't change your subconscious mind's perception of who you are, you'll find yourself sliding back to where you began with. And this can be true in terms of your earnings, this can be true in terms of your success, your happiness, anything like that. If something happens that's going to increase your level of success, happiness, income, anything like that, you'll end up sliding back to where you were before if you do not have your subconscious mind adjust. Now, this is also a problem because it's really hard to have success if you don't have your subconscious mind helping you at least a little bit of the way and not fighting against you, which is kind of that Napoleon Hill, Two Rivers analogy, which I love in Think and Grow Rich, where he's got that bit about how one river takes you off to, basically hell there. It just drags you down to the depths of despair. And the other one takes you just off to success. So leap out of the bad river and into the good one. And that's really just how the subconscious mind works. It's such a good analogy. It's, of course, so well written. Because Think and Grow Rich, amazing book right there. But yeah, really just kind of saying that when it comes to winning, what you want to do is to play the part of the winner, okay? So you want to walk like a winner. You want to talk like a winner. You want to act like you think a winner would. And you don't have to show this off to anybody else. You don't need to be, somebody who looks all pretentious or anything. You don't need to do anything too over the top. Really what this is about is just going for that winning role, playing that kind of part. Playing the part of saying, you know what? I am a winner. And what you're doing is you're putting on a show for the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind's a bit of a drama lover. He kind of just loves exposure to drama. So if you can do some drama where you're like kind of showing off, hey, this, look at me, I'm such a success. Subconscious mind will buy it and be like, oh man, this guy's such a success. And the reason this is important is because then the subconscious mind will put energy and thought and power really behind successful ideas. Subconscious mind will take a bunch of the things that's analyzed in the background and bring you the things that are linked up with success. Because you see, the subconscious mind does not give you what you want, it gives you what you see yourself as being. Now this is also something that Arnold Schwarzenegger has talked about, as we know from my series, that I shot on Steve Chandler's amazing, 100 ways to motivate yourself, kind of series. That one's got some really good principles in it, and I would say that's just such a good part of it. Talking with, his first principle being with, Schwarzenegger explaining to him the key to his bodybuilding success, and then later, of course, his acting career, and of course, later on being governor and whatnot. That a big key to his success there was the seeing who he wants to be and then living into that person as if he already is that person. So really that's what we're talking about here, is taking whoever you want to be and saying, you know what, I can be that person right now. So I can just adopt that personality, that kind of mannerism, that kind of, you know, really just that person I want to be, just act like that person. And that's really the key to winning here, is because when you start acting like that person, the subconscious mind will buy into it. Now, the subconscious mind is not going to be a genius when it comes to whether to buy into certain things or not. The subconscious mind is very gullible to a large degree. So you can just put on a ham performance of saying, hey, look, I have so much money. Look at all this money here, you know, hold out a wallet of bills and stuff. And the subconscious mind's going to be like, oh my God, this guy is rich, you know? Or if it's like, I'm so happy, the subconscious mind's like, oh my God, this guy's happy. And so that's really all you need to convince, is to play that part, be a little bit childish about it, just do some play, be happy, put a lot of emotion and repetition into it. And soon enough, you can reprogram your subconscious mind to give you that winning amount of success. Anyway, I am Walt. Thank you guys for watching. You know, if you want to support this channel, like, check out some of my Amazon stuff, check out some of my books over there, because this is some good material I've written on self-help. And of course, we'll support the production of these kind of videos, like, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. And I'll see you guys next time with the next video. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.